How to fix Messenger not showing active friends. Hey everyone! In this video tutorial, we're showing you how to fix Messenger not showing active friends. Not showing active friends. This can be frustrating, especially if you're trying to reach someone and want to know if they're available. So to fix Messenger not showing active friends, first open the Messenger app on your phone. If you don't see green dots next to friends' names, your active status might be off. Tap the three horizontal lines menu in the top left corner. Tap the gear icon in the top right corner to open Settings. Look for Active Status and tap on it. Ensure the toggle next to Show When You're Active is switched on. That's all you need to do. With these simple steps, with your active status turned on, you should be able to see your friends' active status as well. And this is how to fix Messenger not showing active friends. If you have any questions about fixing Messenger not showing active friends, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.